Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to see how we can grow our hair using the sulfur, which is a natural ingredient found inside onion or onion leaves, and it can be used as onion water or onion spray and can be applied on the scalp. Now, onion juice or onion water or onion spray, as the case may be, is very important. It is a very important ingredient, natural ingredient that is used for hair treatments, because when added to the hair and scalp, that is when it is applied by either using a spray bottle or by massaging it into your hair and scalp. Onion juice can provide extra sulfur which supports strong and thick hair. So if you're having dandruff, you're having hair loss, if you're having hair breakage, if you're having hair graying, and some other hair related issues like dandruff and all that, onion juice water is very effective because of the natural content of sulfur found in it. Now, the sulfur also helps to promote collagen production. Now, what is collagen? Collagen is a chemical, also a natural chemical or ingredients found inside the onion that helps for the production of healthy skin cells and which promotes hair growth in the long run. So you don't want to miss this. You don't want to miss this in this video. You don't want to miss this video. You want to watch it to the end because you're going to learn a lot. Now, the good thing about this is that it has no side effects because it is natural. So there's no extra chemical from or synthetic chemical that will be added to this. It's just natural and it works like magic provided you are consistent. So stay tuned and watch to the end of this video. Now, the second ingredient or the second item we'll be adding to this hair treatment regimen is the rosemary leaf. Rosemary leaf can either be used as a fresh one or the dried ones. Rosemary leaf is an essential regimen or essential ingredient when it comes to hair treatment. It is very potent. It works just like magic, just like the onion leaf, and it contains carnosic acid. Carnosic acid is an active ingredient in the plant and it helps to heal tissues. Carnosic acid helps to heal tissues and help to heal damaged nerves. That is according to research. You understand? It also helps to heal and rejuvenate nerves in the scalp too. So if you are looking at growing your hair or correcting damage there, then rosemary leaf is a must-have in your day-to-day hair treatment regimen. So the next thing we are going to do is to cut this onion into smaller particles. The essence is because you want it to be easy for the nutrients to be absorbed or to be extracted easily. So one thing I do first is to remove peel the dry leaves. Don't discard it. It's going to be part of our regimen because it also plays a role. So add the dried leaves into your own bowl, then cut the onion bulb into smaller particles. The good thing about this is that you can either use any of the onions, whether white, whether brown, or any other color, because provided it is not bad, provided the onions is still good. So use a good onion bulb. They all contain the same kind of natural ingredients or chemicals. So after cutting them into smaller particles and adding them to a bowl, the next thing you want to do is to add a measure of your rosemary leaf. So you can see my onion leaf, you can see my onion bulb that have been cut into smaller particles, and they are ready for use. So the next thing you want to do now is to take a measurement of your rosemary leaf. For me, I'll be using, call it 1 spoon of dried rosemary leaf. You can use the fresh one if you have available, but most times it will be difficult to find the fresh one, but if you can find it, that's nice. Else you can also use the dry ones. So after adding them together, you can see them together in the bowl. The next thing you want to do at this stage is to get a clean container, a clean jar. I always emphasize on using clean jars in my videos because I know what it takes for you to get to create a potent hair treatment regimen, because when you have a contaminated jar, it's going to mess up with the potency of what you're trying to create. So add them into the clean jar. You can decide to sterilize your jar before use by using warm water. Please don't use hot water, because if you have a a a rubber jar, is going to melt. So sterilize it with warm water and salt. So after that, add your onion, your sliced onions and rosemary into the jar. Then add some water, clean water, into the container and let it at least cover the ingredients. So the next thing you want to do is to leave it to stay for 24 hours. Then after 24 hours, you notice that the color changed. So after 24 hours, the next thing you want to do is to sieve the particles. Sieve the particles of the rosemary leaf and the onions from the water. So I'm going to use a cloth sieve here because it is more effective. If you use the mesh or the wire filter or sieve, there's a possibility that some of the rosemary particles or leaves may come out along with your water, which is one thing you don't want to have, because by the time you want to apply it on your hair, it's going to have some particles, or it's going to be in form of dirt on your hair, which won't be nice. Or if you are using the spray bottle, you can also block the pipe of your spray bottle. So I turn them into another container so that in the process of trying to turn it into my spray bottle, is not going to pour, because I don't want to waste anything. I don't want any wastage. So the next thing is to pour it into your spray bottle and get it ready for use. So at this stage, after doing that, you can now apply it to your scalp. You can spray the water, the onion water, into your scalp and use your hand to massage it while you do that, because you want it to go down into the scalp. You want it to go down into the roots of your hair and make the necessary corrections by correcting damaged hair, by making your hair look stronger, by correcting damaged scalp tissues and nerve endings. So you want to massage that into your scalp and allow it to sit for at least 6 hours. So for the best time for me, the best thing to do is to apply it overnight. You can wear a hair bonnet and sleep overnight so that you can wash it off in the morning. When washing it off, just use your normal soap, like a toilet soft soap. Wash your hair, and that will be all. So make sure after that you apply any hair oil of your choice, like olive oil, lavender oil, or any other oil of your choice, hair oil of your choice, to keep your hair moisturized. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.